Bonjour les enfants, j'espère que vous allez bien. Comment allez-vous? Très bien? Moi, je vais bien, merci. Alors, c'est notre classe de français et nous allons apprendre à parler en français. Je parle français. Et toi, parles-tu français? Oui ou non? What did I just say? I speak French. Do you speak French? Yes or no? So today we are going to continue learning how to speak in French. We're going to continue speaking in French. So in your French paper, you have this little page and it says je parle. Je parle. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Je parle. Je parle. Which means I speak. And so, do you remember how to present yourself in French? Some of you have sent me your song in French on video. I was very proud of you. So let's go ahead and sing our little songs to start. And then we are going to talk about speaking in French, talking in French, parler en français, parler en français. All right, so since we can speak in French, or we're learning to speak in French, we are going to sing our little songs. So the first one is, comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? Je m'appelle Madame Sarah. Good. So this one, we were just asking, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name? And then you answer, my name is. Je m'appelle. All right, very good. What is our second song? Do you remember that one? All right, it goes like this. J'ai un nom, un prénom, deux yeux, un nez, un menton. Dis-moi vite ton prénom pour continuer la chanson. Tu t'appelles Mathieu. Bonjour, Mathieu. J'ai un nom, un prénom, deux yeux, un nez, un menton. Dis-moi vite ton prénom pour continuer la chanson. Tu t'appelles Jayla. Bonjour, Jayla. So remember, what we are doing is we're just saying, I have a name, a first name, two eyes, a nose, a chin. Tell me fast, what is your name, so we can continue to sing our song. Your name is, and then you say your name, and then you say, hello, and then you say your name again. So that's a fun song in order to learn how to present ourselves, okay? And I put that song on the playlist, on the daily playlist. There's two videos about that song. And listen to them and take time listening to them and sing it with your mom, okay? So those are our songs to present ourselves. So what I want you to do here is I want you to draw yourself. So however you want to do it, just draw yourself, draw your face, draw your face, and then draw a little bubble that comes out, and then you say, je m'appelle, and then you write your name, just like it's written right here, je m'appelle, and then you write your name, and try to write it. I had it written already in cursive. And for some of you, I wrote it in French, for those of you who their names changed. And so you can draw your name and trace it in French and say it in French. Je m'appelle Mathieu. Mathieu, you can say your name differently in all different languages. Isn't that wonderful, Mathieu? Matthew? That's awesome. Okay, so you see, you can say your name in different way. Christian is Christian. Gabriel is Gabriel, right? Jude is Jude. Let's see. Who changed? Isabella is Isabelle, right? So all the names, sometimes they change, sometimes they don't change. But we're going to write it over here in cursive. So you just trace your name. And then over here, I want you to draw yourself, remember, with a bubble. And that says, my name is, because you're speaking in French. Vous parlez en français. Vous parlez en français. Je parle. I speak. Je parle. Can you say that again with me? Je parle en français. Je parle en français. All right, very good. Je parle en français. So you have that and you can color it and make it look nice. And so we are going now to learn a little verse in French. Okay? And our little verse is really fun. So grab your second page when you're done drawing. You could pause the video and draw, and then you can just go on. This is a page, and it has this different people, and some of them are speaking and some of them are just being quiet. Actually, there's only one that is speaking. Can you tell why he's speaking? Yes, because his mouth is open a little bit. So it means he's saying something. Is she speaking? No, her mouth is closed. Is she speaking? And he's not speaking either. So let's see what our verse means. It says, il y a un temps pour se taire et il y a un temps pour parler. Il y a un temps pour se taire et un temps pour parler. Il y a, say it with me, il y a un temps pour se taire et un temps pour parler. And this is found in the Bible in Ecclesiastes 3:7. Ecclesiastes 3:7. So, this is in Ecclesiastes 3:7, and it says there is a time to be quiet and there is a time to speak. Isn't it, beginners? Sometimes when you're in class and when you get back to class over here with us, there will be time we want you to be quiet, right? We want you to not make any sounds, not talk to anybody, but focus on your work, right? And so this is the time to be quiet. C'est un temps pour se taire. Se taire means to be quiet. Then when we say be quiet in French, we say tais-toi, 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 right? And then there's a time to speak. Sometimes we're asking you questions and we want you to answer. We want you to raise your hand and we want you to speak. So there is a time to be quiet and a time to speak, the Bible says. Isn't that great, beginners? Because if we talked all the time, it would be tiring. But if we were quiet all the time, it would be boring. So we need to have both of them, right? We need to have time to speak and time to be quiet. And so when your mommy is putting you to bed, is it time to speak? No, right. Well, you can speak a little bit and say good night. But then when your mommy turns off the light and she says, okay, no more talking. Now it's time to go to sleep. Now is the time to not talk anymore. c'est un temps pour se taire. Se taire. Isn't that right? Very good. So we are learning our verse. I want you to repeat it every day. Color, go ahead and color everything and then repeat every day. Il y a un temps pour se taire et un temps pour parler. Ecclésiaste 3:7. Let's say it one more time. Repeat with me. Répétez avec moi. Il y a un temps pour se taire et un temps pour parler. Ecclésiaste 3:7. And one more time. Il y a un temps pour se taire et un temps pour parler. Ecclésiaste 3:7. All right, très bien les enfants. So, let's repeat our verse. Let's learn it very well. Let's speak in French, parler en français this week. Répétez votre verset tous les jours. Repeat your verse every day. I will put a little video in the daily video where you can just listen to Miss Sarah say it a few times and repeat with me. Okay? Au revoir les enfants!